Today on Valley Food Review, we'll be visiting Cerveceria Chapultepec. Located at 10 South 11th Street in McAllen, Texas, this unique restaurant has something no other place in South Texas has. It's the home of the everything same price menu. Yes, you heard that right. And they have a good-sized menu, which makes this a bona fide flavor mix and match paradise. Proving that this formula works, they are more than just local. Cerveceria Chapultepec has more than 100 locations in Mexico, El Salvador, Honduras, Argentina, and other countries in Central and South America. So you know they've come a long way to grace our little Texas town. On its menu, customers can get fried tacos, sandwiches, burritos, tostadas, and more for under $3. That same price also applies to more than 20 kinds of micheladas, margaritas, mojitos, daiquiris, and tomato-based cocktails called clamatos. Not to mention, it's a great place to grab a beer with a snack on a budget. Now that you know a little more about this place, let's get to the part you came for. The food, of course. Today, we'll be sampling a few of the most popular items on the menu. Here we go. First up on our list, the cochinita tostada. That paste that you're looking at is a very unique taste that is exclusive to this restaurant. It's like a bean, a ranch style, has a zing or a zest to it, and it's quite tasty. Next up, the Baja fish taco. First thing I notice is the good amount of red cabbage they put inside this piece of fried fish. There's never enough cabbage for me, but this time they may have done the trick. Oh, the flavors are definitely there. It is good quality fish. Now let's try the sauce they provided. And there's the Baja. Definitely delicious. I love these tacos. 5 out of 5. Now we've got a skewer. We've got meat, some vegetables, the arrachera steak skewer. The bread smells good. Bread quality is very important. Make sure to pull out the skewer before eating. Tasty, good blend of flavors. The bread is a little thick for the amount of meat in here, but the flavors are all there. Next up, a cheeseburger. This is the American cheeseburger. There's 2 different types on the menu. We can see the cheese is nice and melted. Nice and soft bread. Oh, that's delightfully good. Definitely a unique flavor. I like the cheeseburger. It's very filling, these $3 items. But let's keep going. Here we have the cochinita burrito. Again, that cochinita is that sauce that we tried earlier. Once again, the flavors are there, but in this case, I would say there's not enough filling. The flavors are very unique. Cheeseburger versus fish taco? I gotta give it to the fish taco. Personally, 5 out of 5. Just one more bite. I love this little taco. Happy dance time. Gotta wash it down. Ah, refreshing. Definitely love that taste of tomato. Well, what's this? Bonus dish. I present to you the Cochinita Chipotle Sub. This thing looks amazing. I see they have that signature meat inside. I can best describe it as an earthy flavor. Very soft bread, of course. Well, let's try it. Wow. It's a whole new flavor. I've never tasted anything like it. How they managed to take this common ingredient that seems to be found in many of their dishes, add chipotle, use this unique bread. It's everything. I like it. I love it. Wonderful. We were also handed this taco. Again with that same ingredient. But as you can see, it seems to be lacking in portion. It's good, I just wish there were more of it. But for my money, my bet's on this one. This was my absolute favorite dish of the day. I could eat 10 of these things, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Definitely gonna get one with a beer. So you know I like the food here. But what about the kiddos? Let's see what my 2-year-old thinks.
The first place is dirt.
I'd say that's an endorsement. Call this kid tested. Uh-oh, she saw the cheeseburger. While she figures out how to eat that, let's see what my teenager thinks.
The food was really good and I enjoyed the flavor. It was awesome.
Awesome, she loves it. And had quite a bit more to say about it. Now let's see how baby's doing.
This food is yummy.
Looks like she really likes that meat patty. But of course, her favorite item is the French fries. They really tasted homemade.
I love French fries. It's yummy.
Now let's see what wifey thinks.
I ordered the fish tacos and I really liked them. They were so delicious. Oops, I dropped a piece. The Baja sauce, oh, it was delicious.
There you have it, folks. Cerveceria Chapultepec. We made sure to go when there wasn't such a crowd so we'd be able to do a good review. But apparently this place gets pretty packed. And it looks like the upstairs is yet to be opened. I'm sure when that happens, they're going to get even more business than before. So stop by, grab a clamato, a beer, and you have plenty of choices that you can pair that drink with. I'm going to give this location a 4 out of 5 noms because some of the portions were small, but they were all tasty and you can't beat the price. If you like what we're doing here, don't forget to buy some merch to help support the cause. We will continue to shine a spotlight on local business and help you find all the deliciousness the Valley has to offer. Once again, please like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching Valley Food Review.